today I'm going to tidy up these wheels. As you can see, they've got a lot of curb damage and scuffs and scratches, and this black paint that someone's just sprayed up with the silver is just flaking off everywhere. So personally, I think that these wheels look better in silver, especially on a black car. It sort of hides them a bit when they're black. When they're silver, they're going to set it off and look nice. Right, quickly, just before we crack on, if you need an HPI check done on your car for cheap and quick with an app, you can use Vehicle Score. They're very good. It'll tell you everything you need to know about the car before you buy it. Check it out. Right, let's do it.